Welcome back to another episode. This video will now be full POV.
Loose days like loose change. I swear my life is on Blu-ray. Welcome to Doom.
What up, sugar tits?
What's up, sugar booty?
Sugar booty.
You vlogging on already?
A little bit.
Where are you trying to go?
Here's fine, actually.
Pretty close up here, right?
I've never been here, yeah.
Never?
Nah, nigga, you live around here? Let me park, nigga. Alright, homie, so, you gonna let me race your car or what?
Yeah, you wanna race my car?
I'm gonna do a couple pulls. I'm gonna do a whole review on Mark's car. Yeah, but let me do a couple pulls.
Right now?
After we take pictures. Hey, let's do it. Hey. Hey man, Zosh did his review. I gotta do mine, you know? I mean, with this one, I'm just gonna go through the gears, see how it feels. But with Mark's car, I'm gonna do a little breakdown because Mark actually has like a full exhaust and like wheels, tires, like, you know, shit like that. But I like to feel how this one feels compared to Mark's.
No, there's already a fully built K2C1.
Nah.
That's in Canada.
Nah.
There's a black one.
You lying.
I just seen it right now. It's going through.
You lying. Getting old. Damn, son. Yo, is this a real Type R, dog? Oh, it's a body kit, bro? Oh, yeah, dog?
Seats I spent like $3 on there.
Yeah? That's dope.
Overpriced, but, you know. Good for the Type R, but the right.
Oh, okay, I see. This them that 2020 Civic Si, huh? 2020 Civic Si, everybody. Stickers from EK9. Got the body color, you know. Fresh paint. Damn, the fresh dust and dirt. No, yo, is this like the hybrid one?
Yeah.
This shit runs on electric, all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
That shit's dope, bro. Type R's for type regular, right?
Type regular gas, 87.
87 gas, duh. 87 gang gang. It's nice, bro, nice. Let's see, let's see what they got to offer on the insides and shit. Don't worry, guys, I'm doing a full review on one of these pretty soon. But the other one I'm doing is Mark. He's a little jealous of Mark because Mark has a little bit more done to his. Check it out. Number 500. Hey, on the dot, homie. Don't forget it. He's gonna let me take it for a little rip. What is it? I was about to say, bro, the wrap doesn't count as a mod. You really do got LED reverse?
Yeah, I just caught. Bro.
It comes like that or no?
Nah, at the bottom.
Oh. Wow.
Bro, you know,
first mod.
Bro, you know, like, take these taillights off, what you have to do?
What?
Bro, they pop off.
What do you mean they pop off? Pop the hatch on them fools.
Take this screw,
Yeah.
this screw off,
That's it?
and they pops off. You
What
gotta
the?
pull it off. It's not like any clip. If you look right here, there's no clip right here.
Well, obviously, you didn't check underneath or anything?
No, you can't take this in.
For real? You lying, dog. I bet I could, but I ain't even gonna try it because it's not my car. Yeah, right. That's crazy. Yo, these wrapped in carbon fiber or what? These are wrapped, aren't they?
No. This one?
I know. I'm just joking. Oh man, you put those Brembos on, huh?
Yeah, you know the sticker ones?
The Brembos?
You know, like the Mercedes that's in our school? The sticker Brembos?
Are you serious?
That's what some kid told me, bro. Bro, he's like, I'm driving out of school and the kid like jumps into my window. He was like, you know that Mercedes? Yeah, they're stickered on Brembos. I touched them, there was no grease to it. I touched my Brembos, there was some grease to it. I'm like,
What the fuck? Oh my god, that's funny, dude. That is funny.
A1?
This is day one. You good, homie?
We good?
You good, homie?
I feel like I'm vlogging. Hey guys, my name's
Are you
Matt.
really though? Oh my god, this hoodie.
I'm fucking Superman.
No, bro, it's not that. It's that
Oh.
it's fucking the hole is like hella
Choking
small and hella tight.
I think you need to
That's
trade
what-
the hoodie.
That's what I said.
Not for mine though. You know, girlfriend.
You're gonna fall asleep though in class. It's like you'll be like this. You just do this.
Oh yeah, I remember. Is that an engine? They fall out the chair and shit. They going forward first?
No, back.
Oh, all right. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming a little bit more. Trust me, bro. Just a little slowly, slowly, slowly. We got that true VTEC power straight from Japan. But you gotta hear the video what I said.
What the fuck did you say? What'd you say, faggot?
I was like, when you hit it right there, I was like, that true Japan VTEC power, baby. Straight from Japan.
I have a feeling you didn't say that.
And then he got right here, and I was like, he has that VTEC Doge.
That VTEC and Doge.
Do not abuse it.
Nah.
Don't beat on it. Drive it like you're 80 years old, okay, buddy?
Alright, bro. I won't abuse it. Ooh. This thing is huggable, lovable, Honda-licious.
Honda-licious.
Man, bro, it's like a freaking fighter jet, homie.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, make sure.
Air Force One.
Oh my god. It's chill mode, homie.
It's in sport.
It's in sport? It's like an R mode?
You want the R mode?
Yeah, let's do this.
Right there, that's the R mode.
Hey. Damn, the clutch isn't even that high. It's very, very easy.
Yeah, it's still stage 5.
Shut up. Stage 5 Honda clutch.
No springs.
Oh my god. And it's pretty easy to drive.
Yeah, man.
I didn't expect this. I thought it would be like a little bit more aggressive since it is the Type R. But this is pretty nice.
Chilling.
Yeah. Like getting used to my hatch, and then like and now getting used to this car is like wow.
I think your
Like
bucket seats are a little tighter.
Yeah, that too. But at the same time, these like you're not going anywhere with these. They hug around your waist, kind of like your midsection. And my bucket seats just, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's it. But straight, right?
Yeah.
But the bucket seats that I have, they hug you more like towards the back, like your upper back. You got the thing or no?
No, you leave it right there.
Okay. Alright, homie, you ready? Yo, the shift lights are freaking insane. Wow. This is very, very powerful. Like, no joke, the steering on this thing is very freaking responsive. Like, there's no play at all. That caught me off guard as well. Like, the faster you go, the like more agile it steers. Yep. Yo, this is ridiculous. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a full review on my other homie's FK8. But honestly, this is my first Type R that I am ever driving. Like the first FK8 that I'm ever driving, and this is nothing but excellence. Like, I will give you guys a full rundown when I do a review on my other buddy's FK8. But man, you guys have a video to watch. Trust me. Wow, the disrespect, bro. Alright everybody, so I hope you enjoyed all that POV GoPro style stuff. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the little clip of me abusing and using the FK8. But I will be doing another video of a whole car review of my buddy's FK8. It's not gonna be this one, but it's gonna be my other buddy Mark's FK8. He has a little bit more done than, you know, a stock FK8. So I wanted to do a little review on that one. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I really appreciate everybody's feedback. Really appreciate all the positive feedback that you guys have been giving me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces, one love.